Ang ganda! I hope you can see it. Ang ganda niya. Wish kasi itong Google Me. Saan ako dinadala eh. Go from there to Mother of Armenia or no?
72.
Wow! Mali yung desisyon ko kumakayat. Mali. Ayan na siya. Pagod siya, mami. Nagreklamo na siya. Nagsisisi na siya. Sabi ko, do you feel any regret? Sabi niya, yes. Ayan, we literally just got off from the bus. May pupuntahan tayo. Hindi ko alam pero tinamad akong lumabas. Kasi simula kagabi yung mga nakausap ko. Mga ano sila yun, malungkot sila. Lagi nilang, yung mga tao dito medyo napapansin nila, madalas nasasabi nila about yung sa war or something. So, medyo na ako kagabi. Medyo nawalan ako ng ganang lumabas. I need to refresh my mind. Theater to eh. Anong tawag dyan? Basta, alam niyo naman diba, hindi ako nagre-research. Basta pumupunta lang ako sa mga lugar. So, ayun. Punta tayo dito. After this, punta tayo dun sa may parang famous na museum art something. Yun. Haha. Taray ng mga jeep dito, no? Binabayaran mo, bariya-bariya. Kala mo nasa Pinas ka lang. O, ayan na, nag-Dr. Google na tayo. Yerevan Opera House to. Nabasa ko sa internet, actually, na mag-try daw na manood dyan for experience. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang days ako dito, but I'll check. Tapos, kailangan daw yung suot mo medyo classic or something, which hindi ko alam kung kaya ko ba or what. But let's see. Picture tayo dyan, nonetheless. Tapos, punta tayo doon. Medyo malayo-layo. Laban yan. Yes po. Oo nga po. Totoo nga po. Nakakaramdam na naman ako ng isang oras na paglalakad. Ang taas niya. Mukhang mas mataas to doon sa may Georgia. Hayaan mo na. Pwede bang tumawid dito? Hindi nga. Sabi ko nga. Puisit. Nagmagaling kasi ako sa Google Maps eh. Wish kasi itong Google Me. Saan ako dinadala eh. So, ayan, tayo ay tatawid. Pupunta tayo doon at tayo kukuha ng mga magandang litrato, ganon. Welcome. Mukha siyang mataas. Hindi ako maliligayahan sa mga mangyayari. Putik na yan. Mukha 200 steps siya. Sana worth it. Sana worth it ang pag-akit, mami. Mataas-taas yan. Bakit ko ba ito ginagawa? Minsan napapaisip na din ako, bakit? Sana maganda. Okay. Sana talaga. Let's go, let's do it. Ganon. Sorry, can I ask you something? Do you think how many steps are this?
I guess 500.
500?
Yeah.
Shoot.
That's more.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Hear that? It's 500. Like 500 just going up?
Let me check it.
Oh my God. And I can go from there to Mother of Armenia or no?
72.
Wow. Mali yung desisyon ko kumakayat. Mali. You know, my decision right now is kind of wrong. I did not prepare for that.
There's escalator you can go.
There is?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I made the right decision then. Okay, I'll do that then. Thank you. What's your name?
Susie.
Susie, thank you. So beautiful. Here joining us today is Susie. Sorry for disturbing you, but she's kind of joining us. So I think it's a good thing. Ganda na, mabait pa, ganon.
Actually, there is some.
Are you sure I'm not gonna disturb you or anything? Where are you from, by the way?
Armenian.
Thank God you speak English. Yes. Yes. Wait, I actually just need to take one picture here and then we can go up, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So she's saying something about the museum.
That's true. 0.
Let me open it for us. Very much welcome. Oh, shoot. Yes. Sure. Ang bait naman ito. Diba tinulungan ka na, siya pa yung nagtatanong para sa'yo. Kaya hindi pwede ka maganda lang, mabait din dapat. Thank you. No, that's fine. I'm more on... I'll check that out, sure. I'm gonna get your number later on. That's okay. All right. Thank you. Ala. Oh. Ang ganda. I hope you can see it. Ang ganda niya. Thank you. Ang bait nito, yung ganda pa yun, oh. Buisit. Mga ganyan, nung sarap sugatan yan. Shall we go up or... We are on top of the world, everybody. Ano siya? Imaginin mo kung nilakad mo yan. Good luck sa'yo. Sorry, are we on the right way? Can we go there or not?
Of course you can.
Are you willing to do it?
I don't know.
What is that, by the way?
It actually has a story.
You know, do you know that I'm traveling without doing any research or anything? I'll just do like which place to visit or something. Then I'll just go there. So the people who might be watching this will be like, what is that place? It's just me sharing myself. So do your own research, guys. Ayan na siya. Pagod siya, mami. Nagreklamo na siya. Thank you. I think we made it. Few more steps. We can do it, Susie. Taas ma. Nagsisisi na siya. Sabi ko, do you feel any regret? Sabi niya, yes. Pero sumama naman siya, so thank you pa rin. I probably should get a very good shots here. So, worth it naman yung pagkakit namin. Lalo na siya. Pagod siya, pagod siya. This is the price of everything. Let's go. I am fresh ko dito, mami. So, we're heading down at may pasok pa siya. Susie, thank you very much. I didn't get this kind of approach when I was in Georgia, so I'm really happy right now. Coming down, going home. Hi. We're back. Nakababa na kami. Was that like 30 minutes? 45? Something like that. Thank you again. Appreciate the time. She's gonna go to work. So ayan, nakit na natin yan. Uwi na tayo. Magpahinga tayo. Magpahinga. Ganon. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mother Armenia. Ganon. Sabi kanina ng babae, why are you wearing this? Sabi ko, no, I grew up in the States. So, you know, there it's colder. Chinarot-charot ko siya. Sabi ko, taga-States po ako. Anong state? Malabon City State. Maarte-arte ka sa akin. Solo traveling. Ganon, mag-solo travel tayo. Sa pamamagitan ng ating kalandian, nakapunta tayo sa Mother Armenia ng nakakotse. Mercedes. Vintage. Ganon. Yun siguro yung future ko. Daddy. Tayo. Hi.
Hello.
Bango naman yun. Hindi mo kayong sumama sa akin, sir. Vlog-vlog mo ako. Ganon. Vlog tayo dalawa. Hi! Ganda. Ay. Bukod kay sir. Tumitingin pa siya. Sumunod ka. Huwag kang puro pagkakapit dyan.